Hi there, I'm Dr. Mark Wensell. I'm the director of the weekend MDA, Masters in Decision Analytics program here at VCU. I also work with a lot of our students in terms of career development and in the data, AI, and analytics world. Our MDA program is very focused on building with real-world experiences in a cohort model. We have a lot of folks who have said even throughout the experience that the things they're learning in class, they're applying the next day at work. Our class sizes are small, let's say roughly 20 people, but we break them into team-based cohorts, and the cohort goes together throughout the program. So again, you're always with peers, you're always with a group, you're taking the same subjects together at the same time, and so there's a level of kind of collaboration and group work that it's not only great for your learning, but also just helps you build some skills you'll need for kind of the future as you get out. We have a cases class where we take a pretty well-defined kind of semester-long project, and as a team, we break up into teams within the cohorts, and we learn together and put that, try to build a real-world outcome out of that case using real customer data. But the goal is to build something the client actually, gains value out of, and that's kind of the first one. On a much bigger scale, we do our practicum project, where we work with typically up to 4 different companies or organizations, and we try to help them solve a real data, AI, or analytics challenge over the course of 2 semesters. And you can kind of think of this as the capstone project for the program, and this is where you're really taking everything you've learned and applying it to build a real outcome. I will say, just from the ones I've had personal experience with, the clients actually use what is built in the program. So it's a great resume builder, but it's also a great learning experience for everybody. We're focused on building real experiences that people can take what they've learned in the program and immediately apply, and I think that connectivity is so important. Our goal is from the day after you graduate the program, you're taking everything you've learned and it's applicable and generates real results where you're going, because again, the things we're teaching are learned by doing, and getting people started on that process and that path is key.